All right, so for the second paragraph of the literature search strategy, it says we need to detail the search terms used in the literature review, and then secondly, report the number of articles that were found at various stages of the keyword search process. All right, so if we go to the example, it says there were several terms used to search the literature. The search terms included MMORPGs, gaming, excessive use, problematic, internet usage, addiction, addiction to games, internet gaming disorder, internet addiction, attachment theory, attachment styles, family, family relationships, history of MMORPGs, effects of gaming, effects of excessive internet usage, and effects of internet addiction. Okay, so those are all the key search terms that were used. Okay, then finally report the number of articles. The initial search yielded 760 peer-reviewed articles. After all the keyword search terms were used, the final number of peer-reviewed articles was 97. Now, another way to report this paragraph is to do it by search term. So for example, you could even be more detailed than this by saying, okay, the first search term we used was MMORPGs. The number of articles that this search term produced was 760. The second search term we used was problematic internet use or addiction to MMORPGs. That dropped the search from down to 680 or 700, right? You could go methodically and actually take the person through your search process and walk them through how the number decreased at each stage until you got to the 97. So that's another way that you could do this. So you could do it general search terms or keywords used, and then general first the initial number of reviews and then the final, or you can be more detailed and go step by step by step. Search term, number of articles, next search term, number of articles, next search term, number of articles. So you can do it that way as well. So it's up to you. I'm just giving you a different way of doing it. All right, so once you complete the second paragraph, then you're ready to move on to the third section in chapter 2, the literature review section, which is the theoretical or conceptual framework.